finish her. I'm telling you, I will finish her. What's the meaning of this?
Uchechi, I am highly disappointed in you. How could you tell on the princess?
Oh, the princess disobeyed the king's order. Unlike you, I am loyal to the king.
More like you're interested in the king.
What's that supposed to mean?
You think we don't know you're trying everything to gain the king's favor? But guess what? No matter how desperately you try, the king will never stop seeing you as what you are. A common palace maid, just like us.
I might be a palace maid, but I am not small-minded as you two.
Hey, Uchechi.
Hey!
Uchechi, how many times did I call you? See, it is very good to be ambitious, but don't let it get to a point where your ambition becomes a tool for your destruction. Hope you get my advice.
You are entitled to your own opinion.
This girl.
Please, no freaking way. Honestly speaking, this is the only option I can come up with in a time like this.
My princess, you know I love you and I will support you in any decision you take. But this very one is really very, very ridiculous.
Renat, no matter how ridiculous this may sound, right? It's the best we can come up with. We need to save ourselves. I need to save my family's trust. He also needs to save his throne. Listen, I've run out of options. Prince Ogudiniru should work with what I have.
It's okay. Just stop worrying. In due time, everything will work out well. Just...
That is ridiculous. And there is no way I am going to do that.
Azonta, you will do it.
I will not.
No, you will.
I won't.
You say you will. The prince promised to reward us handsomely. Azonta, are you addicted to poverty? Are you will? Oh.
Why me? Why did he choose me above every other person? Why?
Assumpta, forget this why me, why is it not you, why is it? The truth is, there is nothing you're doing in this house, Onwe. Nothing. It's better you go there. Obriya mama. Let me tell you, the prince promised to pay you a huge amount of money. That can even change our lives. Assumpta, and you know now. Mama, please. Mama, very important. If you go to the palace, you will help me speak to the prince to marry me. That way he will understand that I am the only woman that loves him. That way he will marry me. Mama, Obriya.
Oh, yeah, one. Please, do it for us. The prince promised to reward us. And I am hoping that reward will eradicate poverty from our family.
Bam!
Bikonu.
This is a bad idea. Very bad idea. And if I must agree to it, me, I have my own terms and conditions, because I am nobody's fool.
So brother.
Mama, happy so bad. Assumpta, forget that terms and conditions. We're doing this thing for ourselves. It's for the betterment of our family.
It sounds more like for yourself.
Here, Assumpta, you must do this thing. And nobody will stop you from doing it. You must do it though. And let me warn you, don't go and start opening that your mouth to go and tell Ekene. I'm
not telling Ekene. Why?
Why will you tell him?
What will I tell him?
If you like, go and don't even try it. It's our little secret.
Ha! Me, I don't know how to keep secret though.
You have to keep it. You must learn how to keep it today. Don't tell him before he's back from Abuja. Bam! Everything is over. I'm over here. Here, come on, take again.
Okay, fine. Go ahead and tell us what your terms are. Why you get choroke mere gi? Maya gaba.
Maya sokwa na onukwu oyibo.
Your Highness, is there anything else you want?
No.
Like you don't need anything, Your Highness?
Leave my presence.
Yes, Your Highness.
Girl. Hey, tonto.
You had no courage to speak about your emotions and your feelings towards me. Why?
My prince, it's because you see me as a commoner, a common maid. My prince, I worship the ground you walk on. I love you so much, my prince. I gave you all the signals, but you never look my way. And it's against my wish for me to throw myself on a man who will eventually humiliate and insult me.
Now look at where your assumptions has gotten us. I've lost everything, including the palace.
What? My prince, are you saying you've lost the throne?
In a few days' time, the pronouncement will be made, and royalty would leave my family lineage.
Marry me, my prince. My prince. Marry me and make me your wife. That way you will not lose the throne. I love you, my prince. Let me enjoy.
Never. Chilota, I do not love you. But thank you for loving me and telling me you love me. I cannot gamble my emotions with marriage.
My prince, is it better you gamble it with losing the throne? My prince? Can't you see I love you so much? I love you, my prince. Can't you feel it?
Chilota, step away. I do not love you, but I care about you. And love, it takes time. It takes a lot of time to love someone.
But we can build it. My prince, we have all the time. We have all the time in the whole world for us to build it. My prince, we can build it.
No, you're wrong. I do not have all the time. And I do not want to lose the throne. Please leave. I said leave.
Mother, that is my decision and it is final.
Such decision cannot be final because it happened many years ago. You said you want your daughter's happiness. That should be more important to you than trying to impress the dead.
Mother, you are forgetting something. It is not my decision, but the decision of our ancestors.
Yes. Personal decision that was never a tradition. They were not law, but was born out of enmity. You are a king of peace, and that you should represent.
I said no, Mother. Mother, I can't fathom this. This is a culture and tradition handed over to me by our ancestors, and I pledge to uphold it.
Were you there? Let the past remain the past. If Ini had not swallowed his pride and come and ask for forgiveness, would Urezane not have forgiven? Now there's a generation in your time that are ready to correct and tidy of history, and you want to hold it back. My son, that history was a bad one. You have to correct it.
No, Mother.
This young man is ready to make amends and make sacrifices to appease the heart of Urezane. Accept it, son. Allow the both youths get married.
No, Mother. We are in serious enmity with the people of Urezane. So as soon as you forget that, the better for all of us.
If we're
Yes.
Igwe ofu bosi ofu gi n'anya.
Assumpta, how could you be so wicked? Assumpta, why are you behaving like someone that is possessed?
Calling me names will not salvage the situation. No, I will not condescend so low as to play deputy wife to a stupid prince who cannot make a solid decision such as picking a wife for himself.
I warn you, I will not stand here and watch you speak about my prince in such a manner. Don't try to.
Please, help your faith to dash your hopes on the ground. Prince Ogudiniru, or whatever you call him, is not looking your way. And I find it impossible to get him to look your way because I hate him. His presence irritates me so much.
Assumpta, please. You're the only hope we have now. Please help my prince. I don't want him to lose his mother or the throne. Just all I'm asking is for you to pretend to be the maiden that loves him. We all know that there is no maiden. At least with time, you will convince him to marry me.
Slow down, remember to wonderful worship. I will not act as impostor to your prince. If he likes you, he should come here and perform the customary duties, pay your bride price, and take you home as his wife. Look at how you're embarrassing yourself, throwing yourself cheaply at him.
Assumpta.
Feel like they're making.
Assumpta.
Ibi.
Assumpta. Hey. Why help my prince? What am I going to do? Assumpta. Ibi pensu. Ibi only happy. Oh, yeah.
Listen to me. I will not open this gate for Oguduniru to enter into my husband's house. That boy is taking me for granted. I will not allow him to enter into this compound until he brings that woman he claimed to have proposed to, which he's about getting married to.
Please, Your Majesty, allow him come back to the house, I beg you. The girl in question will be here in a few days. Mark my words, I am telling you honestly.
There is no point disturbing yourself. I will not open this gate for Oguduniru to enter into this compound. That boy has taken me for granted and I will not let it until he brings that woman he said he has proposed to and about to get married to. Until I see that woman, he will not enter into this compound. And you, stop disturbing me, else I will see you as a bad influence who is trying to deceive him from getting a wife. What is this? Listen, are you working for the enemies? Huh? Who is trying to deceive my son? So that they will take the royal throne, which my husband guarded even unto death.
No, my queen, no! I am and will always remain a loyal friend to this royal home, Your Majesty. Please, just give him this chance. Just give him this one last chance, I beg you, my friend. Please.
Go and talk to your friend and stop disturbing me.
I'm confused. Amarami amgeme. Ocheze mukane kukwanu makaya. Onye gawamo. I'm so confused. Amarazimi emneme. My throne at stake. Ogini kamgeme. Onyega wamo. Onyega wamo.
Something is going on. I don't know. How are you going to help me? I need to. This is how I feel. You need to help me get the place. You know, I love him. I need to come and play him. Let him see the way I feel about him.
Chimba, to be candid with you, I don't even know what. The truth of the matter is that the prince is not looking your way. And to even make the matter worse, your sister is compounding the whole situation.
You cannot say that, eh? There must be a way out. You have to help me now, eh? You need to convince him to look my way, even if he's not looking my way now. What do I do? What do I do? I'm asking you now.
You want me to help the prince. Let us secure the throne first. That is the most important thing right now.
How do I help the prince?
First, talk to your sister. Make her see reasons to accept this.
I called you here to ask a very important question. Assumpta, tell me, what do you want that I, Prince Oguduniru, cannot give you? Do you want part of my kingdom? You obviously cannot ask for that. It's impossible for a woman to be king in this part of the world.
Oguduniru, you may be a prince, soon to become king. But guess what? I don't care for any of that. You are a very proud man. And even God resists the proud. You want something? Then be ready to give something in exchange for it. After all, life is all about sacrifices.
All right, then, name your price.
Good. You will finance my education from start to finish. I'll be studying law. Thank you for asking. And when I graduate, you will install me as one of the board of executives in your father's company.
I'm sorry. That's not possible. I mean, that's too much for a woman like you to ask. You're
A commoner? A secondary school leaver without a defined future? Okay. No problem. Go ahead and defy this offer at your own detriment, because I know that Queen Gosife will not hesitate to pull you out from your father's businesses, because you would have proven to be highly incapable. So think about it, my king. I'm sorry. That's if you eventually become one.
I'm confused. Amarami amgeme. Ocheze mukane kukwanu makaya. Onye gawa mo. Onye gawa no mo. Iemgeme.
Good morning. Good morning, ma. Mama.
No, your food is in the kitchen. Huh?
Okay,
you go and carry it. If you finish that one and you need more, take more from the pot. Oh?
Alright,
Mama. Whoever disobeys her mother should start fending for herself.
Mom. Don't touch me. If you touch me, Magiola, Cricket start walking.
Wait, Mama. What is this? So you people are continuing with this silent treatment? You people are continuing with it? Why? What nonsense now? When will it end? No, you people should tell me. How much longer will it last?
It will take as long as you're ready to say sorry for that ridiculous stunt you put out there.
I did not ask for a human life, oh. I did not, oh. I don't know why you are reacting like this, you and Mama. What I asked for is something the royal house can afford.
Ashige, Assumpta, you lie. You are very, very greedy.
I am not.
You are. Don't say you're not, though. How could you, Assumpta? How could you? You asked the prince to buy you jam from. Then, who are you? I ask you, who are you?
I'm not a greedy person. I insist I'm not a greedy person. I'm just somebody that saw an opportunity that makes sense and I am choosing to embrace it. What wrong is there in doing that? Why are you doing like this? You are aware of my ambition to become a lawyer. And since I wrote for Egg, time is going. Ekene is here to gather the money he needs with which to sponsor me. And here is the prince with the money that they have. I'm building a future here. I'm building a future. This is a good opportunity to let sleep. And I mean, if you think about it, it's poverty eradication. Because the earlier I start school, the earlier I become a law student, the earlier I graduate, do law school, get a job, begin to earn money, and not take care of you and Mama. And then the prince, his late father left some money for him. He has money.
His late father, you said, not the prince.
But he succeeded his father. They have money. Just stop overreacting now. I am aware that you're sounding this way because you have emotional attachment to the prince. But it's not enough for you to take it personal.
I'm not taking it personal.
But you are.
I'm not. It's very obvious, Assumpta. You are greedy. You demanded for something way, way bigger than you. Bigger than your level.
Have you 1 second considered the fact that maybe, perhaps the prince turned you down because he sees you as a cheap girl? And now, him and all his splendor, you think he will not rate you as a cheap girl? That is why now that the universe has turned it around, he finally needs something from you, from us. This is our chance to tell him that we too were costly. You're not seeing the sense in what I'm saying.
Ngwan, now you've chased him away. Who will do all those things you're
I'm not
mentioning?
chasing him away. I'm saying that even if you're hungry or poor, there are ways that you can carry yourself and earn respect and integrity. Honor.
Every time. From one English to another. You know super so yibo. Lawyer Ibama. Use English and spoil everything we are doing in this house.
Okay. I can see actually reasons. You don't want to see reasons what I'm saying. Your mind is fixed with a line of thoughts. I'm done with you.
Do I come across to you as somebody that will just...
My prince. My prince, good days. Good day, my prince.
Are you surprised? Right? Can I at least sit?
My prince, you're welcome to sit. Please sit down, my prince.
So, I'm here to accept your deal. Yeah, I'm here to accept your proposal. You asked for a change of life. You asked to be liberated from poverty. I mean, that's everyone's prayer. Nobody wants to live in poverty. I thought about it, and it makes a lot of sense. So I, Prince Oguduniru, am ready to extend a hand of help. I am ready to make you happy. But on my terms.
What terms?
Good girl. You'd live with my blind mother and pretend to be my wife. Do we have an understanding? Okay. I'll take your silence to be a yes. Mom, I'm home.
I can smell the aura of a woman. Who is here with you? Or have you gone to your spirit maiden again and she has consecrated you with her manipulative ointment? Who is here?
Well, Mom, they said Spirit Maiden is here in real life.
What?
She's here with me.
She's here?
Yes.
Come, my darling. Come hug me. Come. I'm here, Ma. Oh, you're here? Yes. Oh, my darling. What's your beautiful name? Azampa. My darling, you seem distracted. Is Abudulu distracting you?
No, Mom, I'm not distracting her.
Oguniro, go. Oguniro, go. So we can have our women's talk. You're beautiful. Thank you. Go, go. I can still smell you.
Mom, I'm going.
Not until you are gone. Come. Don't let him distract you. I'm gonna go. Leave us alone. My love.
I'm gone.
Go. Fine, Mom. I'm gonna make the best choice. You had me say so. You're so beautiful. It's so nice to meet you after all this while. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Azamta, you're welcome.
You don't understand. She told my mother her name is Assumpta instead of Kira.
And she has said she is sorry. Does she need to kill a cow before you accept apology?
My prince, I must be very honest with you. You never told her the rules. And even your mind didn't get to think that the queen would demand her name.
Oh!
What do you mean by that? She's supposed to be an expert. That's why I'm paying her.
Or say expert, me.
My prince, she never admitted that she has burned an imposter before. This is her first time. This conspiracy. Are you supporting her? I am just being justified in my judgment.
Thank God though. Thank God who has sent you as Dikeh to speak on my behalf, to be my advocate. What do you mean, Seth? How can I lie about my name? How do you expect me Assumpta, to lie about my name? When that is not just repugnant, it is highly repugnant to morality, fairness, and good judgment.
Look, my prince, what I'm trying to say is that no serious. We are on this and we are not going back. Look, when Kira comes, we will tell the queen everything. And by then the throne is secured and the marriage sealed. Bam. The king's decision at that time will be irrevocable. And our people, they will honor your wisdom. And an offense.
And my reward intact. Right?
Oh, shut up.
Right? Don't try it, oh. Don't try to hush me. Talk too much now. I might walk out through that gate, go to my father's house and stay there. No. After all, I do not need to be a graduate to eradicate poverty from my father's house. What's that? By the way, when am I getting enrolled for my jump?
Soon.
Good. Now, say hello to the soon-to-be Attorney General of the state. Thank you.
She's good. She's good. Attorney General. I like it.
She appears nice.
I'm glad you like her, Mom.
I am usurping her cooking duties. She will resume as soon as you pay her bride price.
No one cooks better than you, Mom. Besides, I thought you needed a woman who would relieve you of your cooking duties. I mean, just like you said, I need a woman to cook for me.
Not a woman. Your wife. Ogudeniru. Make her your wife. Excuse me. Let me get my angel. My angel.
Careful, Mom. Careful, Mom. Hi, beautiful. Good morning. I trust you slept well, my love.
Yes, I did.
Oh, that's good. Mom, careful there.
My daughter? You're here?
Yes.
Hope you slept well.
Yes, my queen, I did.
Mom, you need to be careful, right?
Yeah, I am.
Mom, I would like to go see Uncle Okonye.
Okay, that's very important.
Yes, it is. Yeah, there you go.
Can you please help me with this?
Yeah, sure.
Right.
Mom, you're not about to play this when... You're not about to play this whilst having your cup of tea?
I'll play with my daughter Asanta.
Oh, that's okay. Mom.
Yeah?
I have to go see Uncle Okonye right now.
Oh, that's very important.
Yes, it's important.
You can go.
All right. Oh, okay. That's fine. Honey, kindly clear the table when she's done, okay? Yes.
Sure. That's nice. You're little well with your wife to be.
Yes, exactly. Mom, I'll see you shortly, okay?
Alright.
I'll just go to my room and pick you up.
Okay. Samsara?
Mother.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Okay.
Let me bring a tray to clear this way.
Alright. It's good to have a wife.
Are you now going to turn me into a palace maid? Is that your plan?
Hey, you're here to play the role of a responsible wife. And what you did in there is one of the qualities of the wife material.
It's not part of the plan, and you know it.
I'm done with you.
You're okay. Up. No, go and come back. We'll negotiate. You and I will negotiate. What are you trying to turn me into? Go and come back first. Just go and come back. It's not part of the deal now. It's not part of the deal. It's not part of the deal. Come back and we'll negotiate. What is trying to turn me into?
I came to the palace yesterday and the queen told me you went out with a newfound love.
Yes, I did. But she told me, and that's why I'm here. Yeah, that's why I came to see you.
No.
Yes, I took a sip before, but I'll just take again. Really nice.
Good. Yes,
Uncle.
You've made us proud.
Thank you.
When are we proceeding for the marriage rights process?
Uncle, very soon. I mean, one of the reasons why I came to see you. You see, I would like to call for a brief meeting. Huh? I would like to speak with the king's men. Your guideline will be highly appreciated.
Consider it done.
Yes. You know, I do not want to make any mistakes at all.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have all my support.
Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you,
Mother, I must confess I am so marveled at the extra sensitivity of your organs, your ability to capture every happening around you in it.
I know you'll be wondering.
Yes, I am.
But my daughter, you know the sensitivity of the nose and that of the tongue cannot be compared to that of the sight. That is why I can predict everything.
Oh.
That is why I can predict the taste of my food, to know what to do at every given time. I smell things, I sense things. That's to say my sensitivity is very sharp. Tell me, my queen, were you blind from birth, or is there something that happened to your sight along the way? Sometime.
Mother.
You're getting to know Gosife. You're getting to know me. There is a lot I'm going to tell you with time. Nobody gets everything. What it means is, whatever we have to be contented with it. I'm contented with my sight and the way I am. Where are you?
I'm here.
I'm just happy you're here.
I'm happy to be here too.
So the prince walks into his home and you vehemently refuse, or should I say you feel reluctant to welcome him?
Welcome you as what?
My husband?
Please, do not get overbearing over an undeserved privilege.
The last time I checked, I contracted you to do your wifely duties. True or false?
What you're demanding is not stated in the contract. Please be guarded, Your Majesty.
I bought you new clothes because you cannot continue to wear these rags that you brought from your father's house.
Oh, so now you're going to insult me?
Point of correction. Do not raise your voice at me. It's very prohibited around here. My point is, this is a royal family, and I do not want my kinsmen to see you dressed like this. It doesn't suit my personality as a prince. Do you understand that?
I hate you so much!
Thank you. Hey, make sure you change into these things. Alright, I need you to wear something really sexy. Something to convince the entire community that you're the princess wife. Wow. Besides, wearing rags wasn't part of the contract. It wasn't part of the bargain.
No, this has to stop. This overwhelming show of arrogance from this boy, I will not have it. Try away. No, enough of it. I know who I am. Come on to us and be behaving like that. I cannot take it again. I am tired. Prince Oguduniru is out there gradually converting me into a palace maid. For what? Is that part of the deal? The way I feel right now, we should either renegotiate or call off the deal. You will do no such thing, Asonta. You will do no such thing.
washing plates and sweeping the house or doing any house chores are wifely obligation. Did you get that? Assunta, remember our interest in accepting that offer. So you need to be there and pretend to be his wife for some time. Your interest? Sister, your interest, because the last time I checked, it is you who has interest in the prince, not me. And for your information, it helps that you know that the prince never wants to dwell on any topic that has your name on it. Did he say that to you? No, but his actions imply it. You see, that is more reason you need to go back to the palace. Yes, speak to the prince about me. Make him understand that I am the only woman that loves him. That's why I need you to be in the palace, because you are impossible. I am here telling you that the mission is futile and you are convincing me to. Do you know the prince has no regard for me whatsoever? And that speaks volumes of how he will regard you if eventually you become his wife. He even referred to my clothes as rags. That is, do you blame him? Your clothes are like rags now. It's not befitting for royalty. Hold it wrong. You need to go back to the palace. Change yourself to suit my prince. That way, this is our deal. Assunta, please, I'm begging you. You need to do this for us, for our family, for everybody. Hey?
Who is there?
It's me, my queen.
Oh, Assunta.
Yes.
I looked for you everywhere.
I'm sorry, I stepped out for a moment.
Oh, come play my game with me. Come.
Okay.
It's okay now. So let's play. You can actually play it well.
Yes. When I was a little girl, I played it a lot with my sister.
Oh, that's nice. I love the game.
I do too.
Let's make the two of us. You missed it.
No, I'm done.
Uh-oh. I should play now?
Yes.
Okay.
How do you know the exact place to start from?
My hand works for me. Know with your hand, do everything.
Right.
Yes, as the second eye.
You're still going on?
Yeah.
Mother, that is my decision and it is final.
Such decision cannot be final because it happened many years ago. You said you want your daughter's happiness. That should be more important to you than trying to impress the dead.
Mother, you are forgetting something. It is not my decision, but the decision of our ancestors.
Yes. Personal decision that was never a tradition. They were not law, but was born out of enmity. You are a king of peace, and that you should represent.
I said no, Mother. Mother, I can't fathom this. This is a culture and tradition handed over to me by our ancestors, and I pledge to uphold it.
Were you there? Let the past remain the past. If Aninri had not swallowed his pride and come and ask for forgiveness, would Urezane not have forgiven? Now there's a generation in your time that are ready to correct and tidy up history. And you want to hold it back. My son, that history was a bad one. You have to correct it.
No, mother.
This young man is ready to make amends and make sacrifices to appease the heart of Urezane. Accept it, son. Allow the both youths get married.
No, mother. We are in serious enmity with the people of Urezane. So as soon as you forget that, the better for all of us. Yes.
Why? I miss him so much. Grandma, why has father refused to allow me be with the man that makes me happy?
Tabansi Udene, your father is very stubborn. He feels making Ogudiniru lose the throne will justify the wickedness and rejection that Aninri meted on Urezane.
Grandma, why is father punishing me like this? What if Ogudiniru damns me and marries another woman?
No, he won't. I am sure of that. Don't worry. As for your father, he will soon allow you marry a man of your dream.
Grandma, I miss him. I miss Prince Ogudiniru so much. I miss him. Please, bring him to me. I want to see him.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. You will soon be with him. Calm down, my daughter. It's okay. Clean your tears. I don't like seeing tears on your face.
My throne at stake. Ogini kam geme. Onyega wamo.
My prince, good afternoon.
I thought I asked you not to come to the palace. What are you doing?
You're right.
Hey! Move up. What are you doing here?
You're right, my prince. I have an important message to deliver to my sister. And it's urgent that I deliver it now. That's why I'm here.
Then do that really fast and leave. I don't want my mother to suspect anything. Go!
Right.
I said go!
Okay.
Marrying me, not to seduce him. I want to know myself.
You insist that if I must stay in this palace, I have to make up this. No. Don't choose that. I insist in the expiration of the contract that I should be dressed like this. You should have said no. How can you go and serve the prince fruit dressed like this? So that do you want to take my money away from me or each other? It's the prince. He bought this for me. He insists I must wear them if I'm to stay in this house. He even said I must wear them to the expiration of the contract. I don't even like them myself. You should have refused. You should have said no. Look at this young man. You should have been wearing all these normal clothes we used to wear at home now. At home. But this thing is not in the plan for Sonda. You even help me, Rosie. Rosie, you don't wear it again. Now you're wearing engagement ring. Don't worry. Sonda, if you seduce the prince and he makes advances at you, you will not like it. Listen to me, I still know why I'm here. Me seducing the prince or the prince having amorous feelings to me is not part of the contract. I am well aware of that fact. He should better not try to develop any stupid thing. Because if he ever comes near me and tries to be funny, I swear, I will scream and then I take the entire village up and he tries to assault me. Please, let's not go through to that. What are you trying to say? You know you're my sister. And the reason you're here is to speak on my behalf, not, not taking them. How about we call off the team? Yeah. Let's cancel the entire arrangement. How about that? No. Because I am this close to doing so.
You can't do that. What I'm saying is that you take my money away from me.
Playing wifely obligations tonight. So no husband. Not very things that go for me. Things like this. Hey,
How do you know when a woman loves you?
It shows in her eyes. She will be fond of you. She would feel safe in your arms. She'll do anything against all odds to be with her man.
Ooh. So this ghost lover of yours, why isn't she creating time to be with you? I mean, why isn't she crawling all over you?
I'd like to be alone.
You know, the qualities you desire in a woman, my dear sister Chilota has them. If only you look into her eyes, you see them. Chilota loves you and she means well for you. So why? Why are you not giving those feelings the opportunity to thrive? Why do you ignore her? Why do you ignore her? Why do you have to be so bossy?
I'd like to be alone.
Why are you so full of yourself? That's what I'm talking about.
I'd like to be alone.
Don't take that tone.
That's enough.
You're not my father. Don't yell at me.